In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find drafts on Substack. If you've ever started writing on Substack and wondered where your unfinished pieces went, this walkthrough is for you. Drafts are where Substack keeps everything you've started but haven't published yet, whether that's a half-formed idea, a nearly finished post, or something you saved to revisit later. Finding them quickly helps you pick up right where you left off, stay organized, and avoid accidentally duplicating work. Once you're in your Substack dashboard, the first thing you'll do is head to the area that manages your posts. Look for the section labeled Posts in your main navigation. This is the central hub for your writing activity. When you open it, you'll see an overview that typically includes different categories like what's been published, what's scheduled, and of course, drafts. Think of this page as your control center. It's where Substack groups all your content so you can track its status at a glance. From here, switch to the Drafts view. You'll see a tab or filter labeled Drafts. Select that to display only the pieces you haven't published yet. The list that appears will show your saved work, often with handy details like the title, the last edited time, and sometimes the author if you collaborate with others. This makes it easy to spot the post you want to continue working on. If you've been experimenting with ideas, don't be surprised to see multiple versions. Substack is good about autosaving, so work in progress items tend to be preserved even if you closed your browser. A few quick tips while you're looking at this list. Substack saves drafts automatically, so you don't need to worry about hitting the save button constantly. If you work across more than one publication, remember that each publication has its own set of drafts. The content you expect might be tied to a different one. Also, pay attention to any filters or sorting options you see. Those can change which drafts are visible and in what order, which is helpful when you're managing a lot of content. On mobile or smaller screens, the layout can be condensed, but the flow is the same. Go to Posts, then choose Drafts. Once you've located the draft you want, you're ready to jump back into writing, polishing, or preparing it for publication, and that's all it takes. Navigate to Posts, open Drafts, and your work is right there waiting for you. This simple habit keeps your writing pipeline clear and makes it easy to return to your ideas whenever inspiration strikes.